What's going on, everybody? Oh man, this has been a year in the making, or it's been like all summer long in the making, and it's about time to get started on it. Now, I'm not talking about the Blue Muta. That's coming soon, believe me. No, what I'm talking about here is my son Connor, spelled with an ER, not an OR, because ER is the way to spell it. ORs are just a bunch of safety sallies. Yeah, so yeah, he started mowing, but I'm gonna let him tell more on that, so let's kick it over to him real quick, why don't we?
Well, what I've been doing this summer is mowing lawns.
How much money you make so far this year?
$800-900.
How many yards you have?
10.
10 yards? Not bad, not bad, not bad. What are you mowing with?
This equipment right here. My Honda my troy-bilt self-propelled mower with a Honda high-performance easy start engine.
Nice. Now what else? What about trimming and all that good stuff? What do you have on
This is my
that?
Craftsman trimmer or edger, and yeah, I need to get myself some red string so it can match.
Got that right. What do you think about it? Is that doing a good job? Is that?
Yeah, y'all see in a minute. Like, it works powerful.
Yeah, it's actually a really good entry level, like first time someone ever mowing the yards. Then I guess this is your cleanup kit right here.
Yeah, this is my blower.
Awesome.
Gas tank.
Yeah, you just got that, didn't you?
Yeah, I got an Ace.
Yeah, got one of those. I have the exact same tank that I use for my weed eater fills. That is actually a fantastic little 1 gallon tank. Yeah, so Connor's been actually begging all season long, Dad, can I mow? Can I mow? Can I mow? And I've been mowing it with the reel for the most part, the entire season. However, with the Blue Muta coming up, I'm not gonna have a whole lot of time. So earlier this week, Connor asked again, hey, can I mow? And I'm like, actually, yeah, now's the time. So I'm passing on the front lawn. It is now Connor's responsibility for the most part. I'll still do fertilizer treatments, I'll do edging, and if for some reason he can't mow, of course I'll be mowing it and all that, because school is starting for him really soon, like in less than 12 hours. So let's see how he does here with this first time fill up. Okay, yep, that's good. Cool.
So first thing we're gonna do is we're not gonna edge the sidewalks, but right after I will not have to edge just a little bit, cause yeah.
Yeah,
we're
we'll
gonna edge
trim
around
and touch
this.
up.
We're gonna edge around this, and this is actually fucking grass proposed. And we'll edge around that, edge around here, and then.
So why don't you go get your kit ready? You are missing something, I believe, because you are young, so I have to.
Safety glasses.
Yes.
Have them in my pocket.
Look at that. In his pocket already. Oh
They're
yeah.
sunglasses, but they still work.
Yep, they still work. So he's gonna get to trimming. He's only trimming around the mailboxes and just that back area. Doesn't need to trim around any of the driveway and stuff. I don't think you can get rabies from an egg. He loves the auto choke just as much as the wrong spelled Connor too. Auto choke sucks. he's wrapped up the mow, did a pretty good job. He's out cleaning the driveways off, finishing everything out, just blowing the clippings back in there. Gonna have to help him a little bit though on the Bermuda section. That's a tricky bit to mow because there's like so many compound angles. It's not flat. The angle changes as you get closer to the house, both coming towards the house up this way, and it's an extremely tricky section to mow, especially with the rotary. So we're going to teach him some tips and see if he can improve on that. I know he can because he's been rocking it this year. Woo! Little blower has some noise to it as well. But yeah, he's done a great job so far. He is cleaning the mower every single time before mowing this one to knock off any other fun stuff from the tall fescue yards. Tall fescue in quotes. How's it going?
Good.
Got anything to say? Add to it? You nervous?
No.
You scared? You sure?
Camera shy though.
Yeah, a little camera shy. That's okay. You get over that real quick for the most part with that. But yeah, this dude's been raking in the cash this summer, all summer long. It's been awesome. So that's it with this one, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. Connor's watching over the front yard now, doing an awesome job at it. He needs to get cleaned up because first day of school's tomorrow. So thank you all for watching this. Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you soon.